selling drugs was living. I thought they having my pocket full of money was living. I thought they having all the sex I could possibly have was living. I thought that the jewelry, the bling, the name brand clothes was living. I thought I was the man, the lover, the pimp, the trickster, the thug, the gangster, the blood. The only thing I was a fool. And because I was a fool, I thought like a fool. That be so damn foolish action. Woo! But I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Woo! I'm so glad that God has given me a second chance. Because maybe in this life that I now presently live, I can be a blessing to a young man instead of a drug dealer. I can be a blessing to a young lady instead of trying to get into a clothes. I can be a blessing to a family instead of a disaster. Because these children are ours. These things are ours. Every last one of them. White, black, Hispanic, they're ours. And at one time we used to believe that because I remember when I was just a little boy and I used to get in trouble. I didn't have to wait to get home to get beat by my parents. Oh no. Because by the time I stepped on my block, somebody got word of what I just did and went up beside my head. Then they would say, tell your mother I beat you. Because I'm a corner, it's going to beat you again. But those were the days when the community raised the check. Those were the days when people cared and were concerned. Brothers and God bless you. I love it. And I enjoyed it. I'm abused to this.